Hi guys, welcome back to the Issa Way food channel. So fire, put on the light cat, that's how you cook it. Okay. Yeah, that's how you eat it, yeah, that's how you eat it. Yeah. Welcome back. Today we have a special Indian curry meal before us. So this meal is I have never eaten any of this, so I'm excited. So it came with milk, buttermilk to be exact. I have never drunk buttermilk. It smells great. I'm not sure. If you have had buttermilk before, comment down below what you thought it would taste like and what it did actually taste like. And then we have the potato curry. Ooh, the potato serving was not minimal. Yeah, they said give them curry. It is potatoes, so they did put the potato as well. And then we have the puri. So this is an Indian dish, and this is how the puri looks like. Yeah, and it came with a salad, and this is the whole meal. Yeah, I hope you can see. I will insert a picture. Yeah, so we'll first start with the milk. Very sweet and sour. It's like playing with my tongue, like I like it. I actually like it. Wow. Definitely does not taste like normal milk for sure, but it has I don't know. It tastes nice. It tastes nice. I think if they added cardamom, there's like flakes in the milk itself, and it's like, I don't know. This milk is not like the normal milk for sure. It has a different kind of flavor, a bit salty, I'd say. Yeah. Salty, and then it has like a bit of a distant sour taste. That's how I would describe it as. Anyway, we can move on to the curry itself, and then we have the salad. Came with the carrots for sure, and the chilies. Ooh, I think they steamed the chilies or fried it. Nice. I love raw carrots, FYI, and then tomato. I did not like the raw tomato, but we shall eat. And then an onion. The portions were actually bigger than this. This is just a small portion of the actual meal itself. And this meal, it's my first time ordering from this restaurant as well. It came to a total of 510 shillings, which is $5.10. But we shall taste the puri first. There was definitely brown flour used in the creating of this. Something in brown flour. It tastes like flatbread, Kenyan flatbread chapati, but without no seasoning, like no sugar or salt. I like it. Plain taste. Nice. And then we try it with the curry. Ooh, because I think ideally it's supposed to go with a curry. Ooh, let me deep right into it. Yeah. Ooh. This is what we're saying. This is what we're talking about. Let's try. The curry is really good. Goes so well with this, the puri. Oh, the potato curry is good. Damn. Very flavorful. It's not spicy per se, but it has a lot of flavor. You can taste it. The potato is very soft, very well cooked, I can say. Yeah. Tantalizing. I could rate it as tantalizing. I love Indian food, if you did not notice, and this meal is nice. It hits different and it hits well. If I cannot compare to the Delhi chicken curry, because this is potatoes and that is chicken, but something about Indian food, I don't know. Very nice. I'm sorry, it's gonna. It's very nice. I would recommend this meal and give it a good 8 out of 10. Yeah, 8.5 out of 10. Ooh, such a big step. Yeah. The chili still contains the hotness, but from a distance. I think they actually boiled it or steamed it. That's why it's not so spicy. I would eat chilies like this. Wow. New way to make chili. Steam them. Yeah. I'll put the details to this meal, where you can get it. I ordered it off Bowls Food once more because they're my plug for when I need food but do not have the time to go and actually either go to the restaurant itself or actually order it. Like, they just bring it to my house. They bring it to my house. Very nice and easy, tasty. Very nice. I approve. I approve. It's very, very good. Today you can see somebody once commented, like, you don't finish your food, Lisa. Anyway, it's Christmas season. Get you potato curry, one pot curry. Yeah. Puri Bhaji, I think they call it the Puri Bhaji. Yeah. Yes. Very nice and flavorful. I wish you guys a Merry Christmas since it's December. And a flavorful New Year. Comment down below what your plans are for Christmas or just December holiday in general, in case you do not celebrate Christmas. Comment down below and let me know. Yeah, I'm enjoying this food, y'all. And then comment also down below what videos you'd like me to see, what restaurants you'd like me to review, because I'm here for you. I'm here for you to tell you the truth. Yeah. Very nice. Okay, I think it's time to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Issa Way Food Channel. I love food. I love you. See you in next week's video. Have a good merry season. Happy December. Happy holidays. And see you in the next video. Please be sure to check out the details for this meal will be in the description below. Follow me on Instagram at Issa Way. Comment down below what your favorite food is so far, what you're having for the holidays, what you plan to do for the holidays in terms of your stomach. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Me. Let's take a bite. Mwah.